Hi there, I'm Chloe, and today I'm setting a casual but indoor 4th of July tablescape. So let's get started. Here in Florida, it's way too hot for entertaining outside, and you might have that problem, or you might have a rainy day for the 4th of July. So I'm setting my 4th of July table indoors. Okay, so let's get started. I've already put out a cute red, white, and blue kind of seersucker fabric cloth, which I love. It's a little more casual. So even though we're indoors, I've gone with the casual. And I have put my centerpiece that I made out of baseballs and American flags right in the middle of my table. Again, to keep with the casual feel, I'm going to use braided raffia placemats. So I'm going to start with my placemats. And there's going to be lots of empty space on this table because we're going to have lots of good food. And then my plate stack is going to be really simple for this. These are from Cascada. This is the Newport navy blue stripe. So those are our dinner plates. And because I want everybody to enjoy all of the delicious sides that we're going to have, you know, potato salad, cucumbers and onions and sour cream. And then I'm topping these with my red and white Kate Spade salad plates. So people can set this aside and just load it all up. Okay, the glasses that I'm using are sturdy but clear crystal glasses. Nothing really too fancy. I will put the link to these down below, and they are from Amazon. It's like Waterford's Everyday line. So again, I'm doing my stacks of red, white, and blue. And then to add to the casual feel, I am using, I love this, and it came from IKEA, but I think you can get it on Amazon too. If so, I'll put it in the description below. But these wooden handled silverware, because again, I don't want this to be formal, even though we are dining indoors. It is just too hot outside here in Florida. And a lot of us end up having rain on our 4th of July picnics anyway, don't we? So I'm going to add my silverware, and then to coordinate with my centerpiece, I'm going to show you what I've done. I wanted to tie my napkin treatment into my centerpiece. So what I've done is I've taken navy blue napkins, and make sure that your tag isn't on the end, so it's your care tag, so it's folded, it's rolled in. And you're just going to roll this to the center, and then you're going to roll the other side to the center. And if you don't have napkin rings that you want to use, you can always just use a ribbon or a string to tie them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these, again, I'm trying to stay a little more casual, and I thought these knots with the rope texture, and just going to slide those two ends in it, and then I'm going to put a baseball right in between and top each place with that. And I haven't decided yet, but I was thinking I could use these as place cards and write each person's name right on the ball. So that will tie our whole table together. So here I have my casual but indoor table all set for the 4th of July. It's fun. I love the baseball theme. It's kind of cute. And if you have any questions about it, please put them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I will put all of the products that I used, links in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time right here.